And would you say that Seattle music, you know, there's pretty good like camaraderie out here amongst artists?
Can be, definitely. Yeah. We don't talk as much about each other.
Yeah.
And then some people are really tight. You know,
yeah.
like, and I think it has to do with like your generation and like, you know, like who you're doing shows with and like, you know, like things like that. Because people from my generation, like anybody from like Grinch or the Physics, any Scholars, anyone that was on Sporting Life. Like I got a lot of love for them to this day.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And like, and if they're doing anything, if Spaceman comes up and says, "Hey man, I'm fucking doing a barbershop school," you know, I'm gonna repost that because it's like I'm still kind of invested in his success. I still want to see him win. You know,
exactly.
I don't know how it is like right now for people younger than me, but I feel like for me, I still have a lot of those same feelings and like I'm really excited about when I see other people doing music and people from my generation coming back, people from younger generations doing